Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to add product variation in Shopee. All you have to do is go to your shop, then click for variation. And all you have to do is tap the color and tap the size. Then, add image in white color. Tap it and take a photo or photo library. Let's proceed to the bottom. Click Set Variation Information. Now, set your price, stock for all variation width. And then set the sizes here. Let's proceed to this page. All you have to do is type your product name, product description, and the other. After that, click Publish. So now, this is your new products. Let's check your product here. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.